Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change password on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. Here we need to scroll down, find and click Face ID and passcode. Here we need to enter your currently passcode. And after that you need to scroll down and click change passcode. Enter your current passcode. And now you need to enter your new passcode twice. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.